So you've reached the point of the activity where I want you to switch from going from 0 to 2 pi. I want you to go from 0 to negative 2 pi. A couple things to do this that I want to make sure are clear, otherwise it's going to get all, I think, messed up. Basically, here's your slider on the activity page. You can just click anywhere on this thing, anywhere in here. It should bring up this menu. And I want to change this from 0 to 2 pi to go from negative 2 pi to 0. Leave this part alone. The step is pi over 6. You might be wondering how I got these pi symbols in here. Well, I'll show you. If I want to go from 0 to negative 2 pi, let's put the lower value in first. That's negative 2 pi. I'll simply type in negative 2, and then I'll type in pi for pi. And it automatically just changes it to a pi for me. Did you see it? I'm going to show you again, just in case you missed it. I'm going to type in a p, and the second I click on this I, it's going to change the pi to a pi. Watch. Here I go, clicking I. Ding! Now it's a pi. And then I want to go change this 2 pi to a 0. 0. That's what 0 looks like. Yay. And then basically click anywhere else. But the thing I want to mention is I want to go not from negative 2 pi to 0. I want you to go from 0 to negative 2 pi. So I actually want you to move this over here. I want you to move the slider to 0, and then this would be negative pi over 6. This is negative pi over 3. This is negative pi over 2. So the other thing you're going to have to do to get this to work out correctly is starting at 0 and then go through all of these and change them all to negative. Because as we move to the left, of course, we're seeing that wonderful clockwise motion. And that reference angle is still pi over 6, but since we've gone clockwise, it's negative. So you're going to have to go into this table and basically click like this. Click it down. Click in the next one. Use your arrow over to make it negative. Use your arrow over, make it negative. And do that for the entire table so you can go ahead and get this stuff to work out exactly as it's supposed to work out. So I hope that makes sense. If not, don't stress about it. I just think this is kind of a good thing for us all to try. And I know you all can handle this technology, so just if it's getting a little frustrating, just take a breath, take a step back, try again. And if you ruin things, or if you screw stuff up royally, you can always just click the refresh button on the page and then reload it, and then we're right back at the beginning where we started. So you have to go back and change it from negative 2 pi to 0 again and just start all over. So that's the wonderful thing about the refresh. It's like the ultimate undo button. All right.